Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. H1, H2 are two harmonic means between A and B. Okay, then we have to find H1 plus H2 by H1, H2. Okay, so what is given? Where H1, H2 are two harmonic means between A and B. Therefore, A, H1, H2, B are in harmonic progression. The reciprocal, our target is H1 plus H2 by H1, H2. Okay. The reciprocal of HB is AP. So 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by B are in 1 by HP. So 1 by HP is nothing but AP. Arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, common difference equal. D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Okay. This is T1, T2, T3, T4. So it will going to be 1 by H1, 1 by H1 minus 1 by A equal to, okay, 1 by H2 minus 1 by H1 equal to 1 by B minus 1 by H2. The common difference equal. The second term minus first term equal to, third term minus second term equal to, fourth term minus third term. Okay, it will going to be minus 1 by H2 brings left side, 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 equal to, so minus 1 by A, send the outside, 1 by A plus 1 by B. Okay. So let us do LCM, H1, H2, LCM. So LCM is H1, H2. So after LCM, it will be H2 plus H1 is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. So what is our target? H1 plus H2 by H1, H2, it will be 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. So 10th term of harmonic progression is 2 plus 2 and 1 by 2 plus 3 and 1 by 3 and so on. So what is given? One harmonic progression is given 2 plus 2 and 1 by 2, it will be 5 by 2. Okay, 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. This is 10 by 3 and so on are in HP. But our target is 10th term in HP. The reciprocal of HP is 1 by 2, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 and so on are in 1 by HP is equal to AP. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 are in arithmetic progression. In this A is equal to 1 by 2, D is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. It will going to be 10 LCM. 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1 by 10. But our target is 10th term in HP. First, we have to find 10th term in AP. So this formula A plus 10 minus 1 into D. What is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D. So T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, where A is first term 1 by 2. So 9 into D value minus 1 by 10. It will going to be 10 LCM 4 minus 9. Okay, 2 minus 9, just 1 minute. 2 5 is a 5 minus 9. It will be minus 4 by 10 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Therefore, 10th term in HP is equal to 1 by 10th term in AP. So it will going to be minus 5 by 2. So minus 2 by 5 is, so 10th term in AP. minus 5 by 2 is 10th term in HP. What is the answer? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, next I am going to explain question number 3. If there are 4 harmonic means between 1 by 12 and 1 by 42, 1 by 12 and 1 by 42, then third harmonic mean is. So what is given? There are 4 harmonic means between 1 by 12 and 1 by 14, 1 by 42. 1 by 12, 4 harmonic means. Let us take H1, H2, H3, H4 and 1 by 42 are in harmonic progression. But our target is third harmonic mean. So H3 is our target. Therefore, H3 is equal to our target. Okay, H3 is equal to, we have one formula AB into N plus 1 by B into N plus 1 plus 3 times of A minus B. Okay, HN formula. So HN is equal to AB into N plus 1 by B into N plus 1 into N times of A minus B. This is nth harmonic mean, where small a is first term, B is last term, and N is the number of harmonic means. So in this statement, the number of harmonic means 4. N is equal to 4. 4 harmonic means between A and B, 1 by 12 and 1 by 42 given. So this is N is equal to 4. So A is equal to 1 by 12, B is equal to last term 1 by 42. Okay, now write H3 is equal to A value 1 by 2, A value 1 by 12, B value 1 by 42, N value 4 plus 1, it will be 5 by, so B times of B value 1 by 42, N plus 1, 4 plus 1, 3 times of A minus B, where A minus B is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 42. So it will going to be 5 by 12 into 42 by, so let us do LCM. Okay, right, first 5 by 42 plus 3 times of, it is LCM 12 into 42. 42 minus 12, it will be 30. Okay, so after LCM, it will be 12 into 42 get cancelled. 5 by 5 into 12. 5 into 12 plus 90. So it will going to be 60 plus 90, 150, 1 by 30 answer. What is the answer? 1 by 30. H3. This is nth harmonic mean formula. This is AB into N plus 1 by B times of N plus 1 plus N times of A minus B. So H3 is equal, where N place in we should write 3. So AB into N plus 1 by B into N plus 1 plus 3 times of A minus B. Like H2 will be AB into N plus 1 by B times of N plus 1 plus 2 times of A minus B H2. H1 is AB into N plus 1 by B times of N plus 1 plus 1 time of A minus B. H4 value AB into N plus 1 by B times of N plus 1, 4 times of A minus B. Okay. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 4. If the arithmetic mean between A and B is A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n, then we have to find n value. Okay. So options are given. First option 0, second option 1, third option -1, fourth option -1/2. So by using verification method, put n is equal to first option. Let us take first option n equal to 0. What is given? So arithmetic mean between A and B value given. Okay. What is given? A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n. It will going to be A to the power 0 plus 1, B to the power 0 plus 1 by A plus B. A to the power 0 plus B to the power 0. So anything power 0 is equal to 1. So it will going to be A plus B by 2. What is A plus B by 2? A plus B by 2 is arithmetic mean between A and B. A plus B by 2 is arithmetic mean between A and B. So option 1 correct. Okay, if n is equal 0, this is arithmetic mean between A and B. A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n is arithmetic mean between A and B. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 5. If the geometric mean between A and B is A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n. Okay, so option 1 0, option 2 -1/2, option 3 -1, option 4 +1. Okay, by using verification method, option verification method, put n is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 0. This it will be AM. Already this form. Already question number 4 explained it. If n is equal to 0, this is arithmetic mean between A and B. Okay, now so let us take second option, option 2. So let us take n is equal to -1/2. So it will going to be A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n, where n place in right -1/2, A power -1/2 plus 1 by B power -1/2 plus 1 by A to the power n -1/2 plus B to the power -1/2. It will going to be A to the power 1/2 root A plus root B by. So A to the power -1/2 is nothing but 1 by root A. This is 1 by root B. So root A plus root B by. So let us do LCM in denominator root AB. So it will going to be root B plus root A. Okay. In this one, root A plus root B get cancelled. So 1 by root AB is nothing but root AB. So what is the root AB? Is geometric mean between A and B. Okay. N is equal to -1/2. Second option correct. Okay. Now I am going to explain question number 6. If the harmonic mean between A and B is A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n. Okay. So option 1 0, option 2 minus 1 by 2, option 3 minus 1, option 4 plus 1. Okay, if n is equal 0 is arithmetic mean between A and B. If n is equal to minus 1 by 2, then this a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n plus b to the power n is geometric mean between A and B. So now let us take option 3. So let us take n is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1. A to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n plus b to the power n given. In this minus 1 on put n place and write minus 1, it will going to be minus 1 plus 1 by b to the power minus 1 plus 1 by a inverse plus b inverse. So it will going to be a to the power 0 plus b to the power 0 is 2. 1 plus 1. 1 by a plus 1 by b. So it will going to be 2 by, let us do LCM. AB is LCM in denominator, b plus a. So it will going to be 2ab by a plus b. So 2ab by a plus b is harmonic mean between A and B. Okay, 2ab by a plus b is harmonic mean between A and B. So option 3 correct. If n is equal 0, a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n plus b to the power n is arithmetic mean. If n is equal to minus 1 by 2, then a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n plus b to the power n is geometric mean. If n is equal to minus 1, then a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n plus b to the power n is harmonic mean. Okay. These 3 points most important. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.